What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back to share with you this birthday princess look. Yes, my birthday is August 26th. We are in my birthday month. I am looking forward to my birthday this year, actually. Last year, I don't know, I really wasn't looking forward to it, but this year, I don't know, I feel good about it. So I'm very excited, and it is giveaway time. So because it is my birthday, I decided to give a gift out to somebody, to a special someone. I don't know who it is yet, but I am doing a giveaway. Being that this whole entire look has been, well, the eye look has been with the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I figured this is the most wanted palette out right now. Everybody went crazy when she announced this palette, so I figured, why not give this away? This is like the perfect purple palette. It is so beautiful. So I'm gonna show you guys mine. Unfortunately, mine came a little broken, and I wasn't gonna give a broken palette away. So this is my palette here. So it is a little broken and dusty. Look at all those colors. Oh my gosh, when I got this, I was like, I need to do a look like ASAP. And this is the palette I'm gonna use for my birthday look, and this actually is my birthday look. So for my birthday, I am gonna be having this makeup look, so it was fun to do. But before you continue watching this video on how I did this eye look, let's talk about the giveaway. So I am gonna post this on Instagram, or I already did post it on Instagram. It's gonna be a picture like this, or something with this palette in there. In that picture, it's gonna let you know what you need to do. So the rules to the giveaway are, you must be following me on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me. My Instagram is VIVALAAMZ, Viva La Ams. Rule number 2, you have to tag 3 friends under the picture that I'm gonna put of something like this. And rule number 3, you must like the picture. That is gonna enter your name, your Instagram name, one time into the hat or the bag of names that I'm gonna be picking out. And if you want your name to be entered 2 times, so it'll give you a better chance of winning this palette, you must subscribe to my channel. And if you already have subscribed to my channel, go ahead and leave your leave your YouTube name also in the comments, along with the tag of 3 friends. Now, if you want your name to be entered 3 times and you want a better chance of winning, go ahead and repost that picture. So like, follow, subscribe, and tag your 3 friends. Repost the picture that I am posting on my Instagram. You will enter 3. So you have a chance to just put 1 name, 2 names, or 3 names. So go ahead and do that on my Instagram. So I will be announcing the winner on September 6th, so that gives you more than enough time to go ahead and do that and share. This is super exciting. Virgo season, hello. I look forward to seeing all of your entries. I will be announcing the winner on my Instagram live like I did last time for the last couple of giveaways that I did. So tune into that, and I will also be like sending comments out like, you know, reminder, I'm gonna be going live, blah 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 blah. So with that being said, and I love getting pictures of you guys, like recreating the looks and sending them to me through Instagram. They're so pretty, so cute, and it just like truly touches my heart because it just shows that you guys are loving what I'm doing. Now keep watching so you can see my birthday look, and I will see you all the way at the end of the video. And this brings the conclusion of the video. I am all done. This is my birthday Princess Norvina palette look. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.